So ASUS has launched a new lineup of its product, and to talk more about it in detail, I'm joined in with Shubham Sharma. He's a technical product manager with ASUS India. Shubham, welcome.
Thank you so much.
So tell us what has been launched today, and if you talk about one specific product that you want to kind of highlight, you could even tell us more about it.
Sure. We have launched a bunch of products here in India today, all powered by the latest AI technologies. And out of that, the most prolific product that we have is in front of us here right now, the Vivobook 14 Flip. This device in itself is a very feature-packed device, right? We have this 360-degree scenario option here, and as you can see, like flip with ASUS AI, specifically because this is a completely 360-degree design with this laptop. So you can flip it as per your requirement. You can use it in this regular laptop mode, and it comes with this AI integrated features as well. So I'll show you with different modes in action, right? So let's say if you're using this in this regular clamshell mode, what you can do is you can have the adaptive locking system here, which basically uses the IR sensor on top of the cameras here, and it will lock the device when you're away from it. And let's say if you're using it in different mode, there's the stand mode here right now, right? This is great for when you're sketching stuff on it or working on some digital art or stuff like that. When you're working in this mode, what you can do is you can have the AI noise cancellation feature here as well, and it will basically suppress all the background audio from your end. Let's say if you're talking to someone or if you're working on a call with someone, then you can use that feature as well. And then there are different modes. One of the other modes here is the tablet mode, so you can completely switch it down to work as a tablet, right? And it is great if you're working, let's say again, with images or with illustrations and such. It works beautifully with that as well. And you have the ASUS Active Stylus here bundled with the device, so it will ship with every unit of this machine. And of course, for every illustrator or even for annotation or regular everyday also work here, it works beautifully. So this is one of the major devices which we have in this launch, and alongside that we have multiple other machines as well. So like we have the new ASUS V16, which is a machine which we are focusing a little bit and gearing towards gamers, specifically towards female gamers who wanted a more minimalistic device which does not attract as much attention, but is great for not just gaming but also for your regular everyday creative needs like video editing and exporting and working on videos and photos. Alongside that, a little bit of gaming on the side. So it works beautifully for these scenarios as well. And we have kept the weight of that machine just under 2 kgs because it's a machine with gaming chops, right? So we had to integrate a little bit in terms of cooling and the other features that we've put in together.
So you told us about this one, how fantastically it folds and flips, and
Yes.
What's the easy way to use it.
Correct.
Besides that, I'm not going to deep dive into the features as such, but if you could just explain a bit on the technicalities, a little bit into what processors gone into it,
Sure.
what is the weight of the machine, and other specs that are related to the technical stuff.
Sure. So if I'm talking about the specs of this machine, it has the latest Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processor with the Core Ultra 7, the top tier processor here on offer. So with that, you get great performance on this machine, but at the same time, it is quite efficient as well. So it will give you great battery life at the same time. So you can expect like a full day of battery life on this machine with the 72 watt-hour battery that we put. And we're rounding off the experience with this beautiful ASUS Lumina OLED display. So this OLED display gives you vibrant colors, whether you are watching something on it or doing content creation, or as I mentioned, doing illustrations and stuff with the included stylus. For all of it, it works beautifully, right? So with that display also, we have those features coming in. And in terms of storage and RAM also, we have a 512 GB SSD option, which is ample enough. But if someone wants to upgrade, there's a slot there, so you can upgrade that as well. And we have integrated RAM on the system, which comes with the processor, because of which we can give you great performance and battery life, both in a complete package. Yeah.
Thanks, Shubham.
Thank you so much.
So that's ASUS for you, the new lineup of products, and of course, they're fantastic in terms of the looks, of course, the features that it has, and of course, the pricing too.